An apprenticeship is a qualification you can gain while you're in work. It gives you the practical skills to be able to carry out the job, and it gives you the opportunity to earn while you learn. It doesn't matter the type of career that you go into. I think there's an apprenticeship out there that will work for you and that will certainly help you better yourself in the career you've chosen.
For anyone considering doing an apprenticeship, I'd say to go for it because you get the best of both worlds. You're learning on the job, you're in college and you're earning a wage as well, so being hands-on is great. I think in 4 or 5 years' time, I'm hoping to study higher education, whether that be a HNC and then a degree. So within 5 years, I'd hope to have finished a degree and maybe be lucky to go into supervisory or management.
I think from a young person's perspective, particularly in Pembrokeshire, where it sometimes is quite difficult to get jobs, we do provide sort of sustainable full-time employment. As the pandemic has demonstrated, there are a lot of industries that are very susceptible to sort of changes in market, but obviously being in the food industry, people always need food, so we are a very secure industry to work in.
An apprentice is someone that a company wants to put their effort and energy into, and that's reflected quite often within their pay.
The apprenticeship appealed to me. From my own point of view, I get to gain more knowledge about the lines that I'm running, how they're run. It's something that I've always wanted to do, and I'd do it all over again if I could.
So for me, the benefits of an apprenticeship are that you are gaining on-the-job experience, you're already in employment, and then you're getting a recognised qualification in the career path you've chosen. I personally think it's an opportunity second to none, and you don't have to just do one qualification. Individuals will do 2, 3, 4 qualifications if that's what their learning need is.
For anybody thinking about going into the food and drink sector, for me, this is one of the most exciting sectors that you can get involved in. There's a career there for life, really. It's always dynamic, it's always changing, and it's fun.